As you all know, semiconductors are in every digital device, from cars to phones to medical equipment. Without chips, no modern economy. This is clear. Let me give an example how crucial these semiconductors are in the daily life. We have sanctions the export of semiconductors to Russia. We've banned all export of semiconductors. And the impact of these sanctions is now very real, tangible on the ground in Russia. The Russian military, for example, cannibalizes by now refrigerators and washing machines to take out the semiconductors, trying to get the semiconductors for their military hardware. So semiconductors are crucial.